We have a quadratic, and let's solve this quadratic by factoring. So first step that I want to do is I want to make sure that what I'm trying to factor or my quadratic's written in standard form. So if it's not written in standard form, get it there. This is written in standard form. My exponents are decreasing, the highest exponents first, x squared, x, no x, and it's also set equal to 0. Next thing I want to do is factor. Of all the factoring techniques I have at my disposal, one will work. So let's try and factor that. It 3 terms, and it looks like it's not a perfect square, so I'm going to try trial and error. (2x) and an x. Now I got to find my factors of -4 that add up the middle terms to a 7. So it looks like a +4 and a -1. And let me just double check. This makes an 8, makes a -1, produces a +7. And remember that I kept this equal to 0. I rewrote this entire equation in an equivalent form. I didn't rewrite it and just skip that. Even though that's the work I'm doing, I want to make sure I keep the entire equation or expression intact so I don't lose anything along the way. From here, do my zero product principle, either the first term or the second term, or one of the factors has to equal 0 for that to be true. Because if this was 0, 0 times anything makes a 0. If this was 0, 0 times anything makes a 0, the power of 0. So first of all, 2x minus 1, set that equal to 0, solve. X equals 1/2. And then x plus 4 equals 0, solve x minus 4. So I solved each of the factors for x, and now I need to check their solutions to make sure. And I do encourage you to check often, because we're going to discover sometimes in quadratics that we're going to get a solution that's called an apparent solution. But we'll save that for later. For now, I want us to get in the habit of checking often. So 2 times x squared plus 7 times x minus 4 equals 0. That's 2 times 1/4 plus 7/2 minus 4 equals 0. 2 times 1/4, that's 1/2, plus 7/2 minus 4 equals 0. 1/2 plus 7/2 is 8/2, minus 4 equals 0. 8/2 is 4, 4 minus 4 is 0. That solution checks. Even though I was kind of resistant because I had a fraction, I didn't want to deal with it. But if I go slow and take my time, and the more that I do it, the better it'll get. And then let's check out -4. 2 times -4 squared plus 7 times -4 minus 4 equals 0. -4 squared, +16. 7 times -4, -28. Plus a -4. 2 times 16 is 32. Plus a -28. Plus another -4. 32 minus 32, that checks out. And so therefore I found my 2 solutions.